Hey everyone, welcome back to another update video for Animal Restaurant. Today we are sporting quarantine hair. Today I'm going to be talking about update 7.3.9. It's the second part to the big 7.3 release. I wanted to follow up on some items that have been confirmed since I released my last video. Let's get started. First up is something that I did not get to address in my previous video. This is the toy collecting activity. Animal Restaurant has done this for a number of holidays, and the pattern seems to be the same for this one. Each day you log into your game, and a random customer will drop a toy for you to collect after they eat their food. The collected toys are accumulated in the Children's Day event banner in the upper right-hand corner of your screen. As you collect more and more toys, you'll unlock new prizes. In previous updates, these prizes have been anything from mementos to facilities, and it seems this update it's all about facilities. The Cod Under the Sun tip jar, Pastel Love bar, and the Botanical Ferris wheel are all special unlocks from this activity. The Botanical Ferris wheel is extra fun because it actually spins in real time. And it seems that it spins faster if you tap it over and over again. There is a catch, however. All of these items need to be completed and unlocked before June 10th. There are 8 spots and only 10 days to complete the puzzle, so be sure to do this before time runs out. Next up would be the new character. It's the Capybara, and it looks just like the leaked image, so I guess that was correct. She can be unlocked by obtaining the facility Cod Under the Sun. She also requires the food items fried shrimp sushi, sushi roll, kebabs, and salmon sushi. Once the Children's Day event finishes on June 10th, the Cod Under the Sun facility, which is the tip jar, will no longer be available. So it seems this character might be locked until next June, so be sure to try to unlock her as soon as possible. And before I continue, I have one quick request. According to the YouTube analytics, less than 5% of people watching this video are actually subscribed to my channel. So if you look forward to information on the new updates, please consider subscribing as it really helps out my channel. Okay, back to business. Next up, we'll be talking about methods for obtaining some of the new letters. Red Flowers Prize is an automatic letter that can be obtained by sending any combination of flowers with Hedwig. Yorkie Puppy Letter 2 has a confirmed combination of sunflower, maple leaf, and copper watering can. Newspaper 5 has a confirmed combination of sakura, bluebell, and copper watering can. Newspaper 6 has a confirmed combination of clover, sunflower, and iron watering can. Handsome Mouse's playing card is available by gambling with the card-playing mouse during the Children's Day event, again, ending June 10th. It's said that this letter is available via the gashapon machine throughout the rest of the year, albeit at a very low chance. Now is definitely the time to try to get it. And finally, the Oak Bay poster has a combination of red rose, bluebell, and sunflower. Please keep in mind that many of these letters require several attempts to be successful because every letter has a particular success rate. Keep trying and you'll eventually get the letters. And I'm probably going to start saying this in every video, so sorry in advance. Another thing I meant to mention a couple videos ago was this. I'm not totally sure about the details, but if you serve Abby through the delivery service and he leaves feedback, there's a chance that he will leave you not 1, but 2 letters, or at least photos. They will appear in your feedback section, but I'm not totally sure if they'll also be available in your mailbox or if they'll even count as real letters. But I figured I would show you all nonetheless. I'd like to mention some of the new mementos. First is the Capybara's thermos, which is obtained immediately after you serve the Capybara customer for the first time. This means that this memento might be restricted to the small window of the Children's Day event. This memento is called the 100,000 Fan Memorial. It seems to be exclusive to the Chinese version of the game, as it's to commemorate Weibo for reaching 100,000 fans online. Weibo is kind of like the Chinese version of Twitter. I suspect that this memento is limited, therefore, to the Chinese version of the game. If it does make an appearance in the international version of the game, I guess it would be available through the gashapon machine. We're just going to have to wait and see. This memento is called Wave Sugar Board, aka Lollipop. It's available via the Wishing Well during the Children's Day event. Outside this window, I also suspect it'll be available through the Gashapon machine. We'll have to see. And last would be one of the new vendor minigames available. This one is from the Sketch Artist vendor. It seems you have 1 minute to color in the page with all the appropriate colors. But there's a catch. You have to paint the picture entirely from memory. It doesn't show it to you as you're painting. Some people have mentioned that they screenshot the picture and that they referred to it while coloring. But that's cheating, so I'm not going to encourage that here. And for now, that's all the new information I have. Leave me a comment below if I've missed anything, and thanks so much for watching. See you all next time.